Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain a solution for reverse linked list problem. Let's say we have given a singly linked list like this with 5 nodes and each node is having pointer to the next. Like 1 is having next pointer to 2 and 2 is having next pointer to 3 and 3 is having next pointer to 4 and 4 is having next pointer to 5 and 5 is having next pointer to none. So we have to reverse the list and we have to return the reverse list like in the way 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can basically solve this problem iteratively or recursively. I'm going to show you the recursive solution here. So let's move into the code. So here is a class solution with a function reverse list, which is having an argument head which will take the singly linked list that we are going to pass into this function. So if there is no head value, it is going to return none. Otherwise, we are going to initiate a new variable new head, which will take the same value as head. And if head.next is true, if there is any value after head.next, then this particular, this code becomes valid uh, and it and it calls this function recursively. So the function is called recursively with head.next value. So let's say we are passing in value 1 2 3 4 5 as head, and the head.next value starts from 2. So 2 3 4 5 will be passed to this function again. So this function starts up again here and the new head value becomes 2 3 4 5, and again the head dot next value will become true and this function will be called recursively with head dot next value again, which is 3 4 5. Again 3 4 5 will be called and this function head dot next becomes true, and 3 dot next will be 4. So 4 5 will be passed to this function again, and again this function starts and head dot next will become true. So 4 dot next is 5. So we have reached to 5. So this function will start with 5. We have reached the base case since 5 dot next is none. We do not have any value after that. So this is the base case. So now the head value is 5. So if not head, this will be this will be skipped because there is a head value, and now our new head value will be 5. And if head dot next, now it is not true, so entirely this portion will be skipped and head dot next will become none. So anyway 5 dot next is none, so this is still, that's okay, and it will return new head. So our new head value is 5. So let's put it here, our new head as 5. So this is our new head value. Okay, then our function moves up. So our new head value will be 4. So this will be our new head value, and head dot next equals to head. What it does is head dot next now point it to head. So it is saying just point it to head. So now head dot next it is pointing to none. So now it is saying point it to head. So now this head dot next points to 4. So this value points to 4. Okay, and then head dot next will become none. So head dot next, which is pointing to 5, now it will become none. So let's assume this got removed. This became none, so which means this got removed. I'm just trying it off. Okay, now what happens? So now this condition is fine. So now new head is written. So new head is 5 pointing to 4, and our function moves up. Our head becomes 3. So this is our new head, and this is removed. Again, head dot next point it to head. So head dot next now point it to head. Okay, so this one point it to 4, and again head dot next will become none. So head dot next, which is pointing to 4, now it becomes none. So assume this is taken out, this became none, so I'm just striking it off. Okay, and then our function moves up again. So now our new head is 2. So this will become our new head. And again, head dot next point it to head. So head dot next point it to head. So let's go here. So head dot next point to head, and again our head dot next become none. So head dot next, which is pointing to 3, now it becomes none, which actually means this arrow is removed. I'm just striking it off. And again our head moves. Our function moves up, and now this will become our new head. And again head dot next now point it to head. Okay, and then head dot next will become none. So let me remove this pointer. Okay, and then now we are going to, and then now this function is going to return the new head. So our new head value is 5 pointing to 4, and 4 pointing to 3, and 3 to 2, and 2 to 1, and that's all. So that is how the linked list is reversed. So to test this out, I have created a linked list with 5 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that, I have first defined the list node with 2 arguments, val and next. And then using this list node class, I have created the list nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have connected all these by using the next pointers. And then I have initiated a new instance with the class solution. And then I have called this function reverse list by passing in this head link list. And then the return value is stored in this new head variable. And using this while loop, here, using this particular chunk of code right here, we are actually printing out this reverse linked list from the new head variable. So let's run it and see. So yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is successful. I hope this video helps you in understanding, particularly at the step head.next.next equals to head. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.